Sorry for that yet start thing. I was glitching, bro. I was glitching. Oh my days. Okay, just start the flipping game. So basically, Quark Blocks, who is a YouTuber, launched this game. It's my favorite game on Roblox. He did not pay me. I do not know this guy. I watch his YouTubers. This game's 10 out of 10. You should play it. Basically, there's a whole storyline behind it. And he left it up to subscribers to figure it out. And I figured it out by just doing random stuff. Okay. So first of all, basically, I can't do it now because it's too much work. But I know what to do. So basically, first, you're gonna get your oxygen level thing here to level 6. Basically, you get rocks, you mine them, you put them in there until you get level 6. After that, just go around killing mobs. This is a respawn. Maybe it means something. There's also a secret code. Maybe the secret code comes from me killing this guy. Never know. Let me check. But anyways, that's the thing. I don't care if the channel is almost out, bro. So basically, okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, but so basically, after that, after you get your armor and you upgraded and everything, you wanna start clearing. There's a bunch of things to clear. There's these places where you kill the NPCs and the last NPC you kill drops a key. You use that key to open the door. Now inside of that door, you will get stuff, obviously, like items. No, you'll get a hack pad. It's either a hack pad or a blueprint. Now a blueprint. Once you get your blueprint, you gotta do it in order from blueprint 1 to 3. You're gonna press it on this thing. You're gonna hold E. You're gonna stand here. And then after that, the whole blueprint should be shown. And after that, you are going to want to. I think this thing turns into a space up type Sandy. After it turns into a space up or whatever, or you gotta craft it somewhere here. But if this turns into a space up, I think after that, you can escape from Mars, which is the whole point of the game. But I think I figured it out. So yeah, I'm dead. Too bad to say. But yeah, I think I figured it out. Hopefully I did. I think, or maybe you'll have to kill everything in the game, like all this stuff. But I think that's a bit extreme, so I don't think so. But anyways, really fun game. It's called. Let me go. It's very fun. You should try it out. I am not paid. I'm not sponsored to do this. I'm just doing this for the love of the game. Called Escape from Mars. Very nice. But I think I figured it out. Hopefully. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Actually, no, thank you. I don't need you, bro. Check. But yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.